Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you considering switching from a gas stove or cooktop to induction? In this video, I'll share some advantages of switching to induction, electrical power requirements, checking cooktop cutout dimensions, compatible cookware, cookware flatness, burner size versus cookware size, and cleaning and maintenance. Most people cook with gas because it provides better heat control versus radiant electric. You can go from a rolling boil to a simmer in seconds. Induction cooking provides similar heat control. In seconds, you can go from a rolling boil to a simmer and back to boiling. Because induction heats the cookware, not the surrounding air or glass surface, it's about 80% more energy efficient than gas. Induction cooking also eliminates indoor pollutants produced when burning gas. If you currently have an electric range or cooktop, converting to induction is simpler. Most electric ranges require a 40 amp breaker. This home has a 50 amp breaker. Built-in single wall ovens need a 20 amp breaker minimum. 4-burner induction cooktops need 30 to 40 amps. That allows you to use all burners on high power without tripping the circuit breaker. This home's 40 amp breaker is suitable for an induction cooktop. Converting from a gas cooktop to induction is not as simple. Slide-in ranges are on a dedicated 240 volt AC circuit. Gas cooktops and dual fuel ranges need a gas valve and a 120 volt outlet for electric igniters. If you have a dual fuel range, check that the circuit breaker can handle an induction range. If you have a gas cooktop, you'll need a second dedicated 240 volt circuit. If your oven circuit breaker is 40 to 50 amps and your gas cooktop is above a wall oven, you have the option of replacing them with a slide-in induction range. Removing the oven cabinet and modifying the countertop may cost less than installing a 240 volt circuit. While the U.S. has industry standard 30 and 36 inch cabinets, cooktop cutouts are not standardized. Replacing my gas cooktop with induction required increasing the cutout depth. If you know your existing cutout is too small, the appliance seller can tell you the cost to enlarge it. You must also verify there's no interference between the induction cooktop and your oven. In addition to its higher initial cost is the expense of induction-compatible cookware. If your cookware is uncoated magnetic stainless steel, you're ready for induction cooking. If your cookware is non-stick aluminum, you must replace it. Solid aluminum cookware is not induction compatible. Induction cookware must be magnetic. If the bottom is magnetic, it's induction compatible. Gas allows you to cook with aluminum, cast iron, copper, steel, and stainless steel. Induction limits the field to cast iron, steel, and magnetic stainless steel. Most cookware are labeled induction compatible on the bottom or box. You do not have to give up non-stick cookware to cook with induction. Today, there are several options for non-stick induction cookware. Some are solid aluminum with a magnetic steel disc, while others are non-stick aluminum with a magnetic steel inner layer. Non-stick induction compatible steel and aluminum woks and large non-stick skillets, pans, and pots. Some induction cookware produce a buzzing sound. It's normal and does not affect cooking. By comparison, induction stove and cooktop cooling fans are nearly inaudible compared to portable induction cooktops. A common myth is that glass-top stoves require perfectly flat cookware. Some people return cookware and write negative reviews if they see any light between a straight edge and their cookware. Induction coils produce eddy currents that heat magnetic steel. My cooktop manual does not even mention flatness. Induction stoves shut down when compatible cookware is not detected. With my gas cooktop, the largest burners were in front and smaller burners in back. My induction cooktop has the small burners in front and large burners in back. For faster cooking, you should match your cookware's bottom diameter to burner diameter. I've used my 6-inch burner with my 8-inch pressure cooker and 10-inch stock pot. Using high power, the water from my chicken stock came to a boil in about the same time it took using my large gas burner and medium heat. I also use my 6-inch burner with my 11-inch griddle. After cooking with induction for 2 months, I found most foods can be cooked in large cookware using the small burners. Like all glass smooth tops, warm soapy water will clean a lightly soiled surface. There are commercial cleaners and polishers for stubborn stains. To prevent scratching the glass, lift instead of dragging cookware. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.